Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to embed fonts in Adobe Acrobat Pro. This is a crucial step if you're sharing PDFs professionally, as it ensures that your document displays exactly as intended, regardless of what fonts are installed on the recipient's computer. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer and log in with your credentials. Once you're signed in, navigate to Recent Files and select the PDF file where you want to embed fonts. This could be any document you've been working on that contains custom or specific fonts that need to be preserved. Now, in the upper left toolbar, click on Menu, then select Print from the options that appear. This might seem counterintuitive since we're not actually printing, but this is the pathway Adobe uses for font embedding. You'll see a print dialog box open up with various settings available for customization. Next, navigate to the Printer section, click the drop-down menu beside it, and select Adobe PDF. This setting is essential because it allows you to create a new PDF with embedded fonts rather than sending it to a physical printer. You're essentially creating a print-to-PDF file. Move down to Pages to Print and select your preferred option. You can choose All if you want to embed fonts throughout the entire document, Current if you're only working with the page you're viewing, or Selected Page if you need to target specific pages. This flexibility ensures you have control over exactly what gets processed. Navigate to Orientation and choose your layout preference, such as Portrait or Landscape. This should match your original document's layout to maintain consistency. Once that's set, click Properties beside the drop-down menu. This opens up more detailed settings for the PDF creation process. In the Properties window, click on Adobe PDF Settings. This is where the real magic happens for font embedding. Navigate to Default Settings, then click the drop-down menu beside it and select High Quality Print. This preset ensures that your fonts and other visual elements maintain their integrity. After selecting it, click the Edit button right beside it to access deeper customization options. Now click on Fonts in the Settings menu that appears. Here, you'll see various font-related options. Check the box beside Embed All Fonts. This is the critical step that ensures every font used in your document gets permanently included in the PDF file. Once you've checked that box, click OK to confirm your selection. You'll now be prompted to select where you want to save the new PDF on your computer. Navigate to your preferred folder, rename the file if needed to distinguish it from the original, then click Save. The system will process your document and create a new PDF with all fonts properly embedded. And that's it. You've successfully embedded fonts in your Adobe Acrobat Pro document, ensuring your PDF will display correctly on any device. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.